Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to find your Gmail password. There is no option to find your Gmail password. So go to your phone setting and scroll down, click on Google and click on Gmail address and click on manage your Google account. Go to security setting and scroll down and click on password manager. You can find all your saved password here. If you want to find your Google password, then click on Google. Now you can view your password here. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.